Hey, let's sing. Aces are, avocado, artisan, apple, anchor, alligator, arc and alphabet too. Hello everybody, I'm Vanellope Snow and De La Cruz. You like me to tell a story? Okay, great. Listen carefully. My story is about Anna's dream. Anna is a lover of animals and loves to read books a lot. One night she had a dream. She dreamed that she went to a jungle in Africa. Upon arriving, she was welcomed by an armadillo. It said, "Good morning, Anna. Welcome to Africa." Anna was surprised and kept walking. While walking, she saw an alligator coming towards her. Afraid that she might be bitten, she immediately ran and climbed up on a tree. Upon reaching the top, she saw a slimy thing hanging upon a tree. "Oh my God! It's a snake! An anaconda!" She immediately went down and ran as fast as she could. But while running, an antelope followed her. Anna felt very terrified and crying for help. "Help! Help!" Fortunately, an ant bit her and she awoke. The end.